Before you start foundation training in the UK, you would need to get GMC registration. My name is Hafsa, I'm a general surgery resident at the moment, and I want to talk to you guys about my experience with provisional registration. And let's talk about the difference between provisional and full licensure. Stay tuned. The GMC, General Medical Council in the UK, is a governing body for doctors. Essentially, you cannot legally practice medicine without being registered with them. There are different types of registration, but for an FY1 doctor, you need provisional registration. Provisional registration allows you to work as an FY1 doctor under supervision. Full registration allows you to practice without the provisional limitations of an FY1 doctor, and that lets you continue your medical career in the UK. For me, I submitted my documents, completed the identity verification, paid the fee, and then you would have to upload proof of your medical degree, internship confirmation, and identity dates. If you studied outside of the UK, you may have additional documents that you would need to provide. You might have heard of something called EPIC. So it's the Educational Commission for Foreign Medical Graduates Verification. Because I studied in the UK, I did not have to complete that. EPIC is primarily required for international graduates to confirm their primary source verification. Since my application, the GMC website may look a little bit different, so please refer to the GMC official website for the latest updates. The biggest delays usually come from incomplete documentation or mismatches between the name and the passport. So apply early, you don't want to apply last minute for this. And also keep checking your email regularly because that's how they will primarily communicate with you. In the next video, I'll show you what happens once you get your allocation, including the certificate of sponsorship and your visa process. So stay tuned.